Take a notebook and tear out a sheet. Thread the needle in 1 second. Do you also have problems threading the needle? Can't you hit it with the thread? Sometimes your hands shake too much, or maybe your sight is already too weak. Other times the thread doesn't want to cooperate. You try to thread it, but nothing comes of it. Every attempt ends in failure, and you're losing patience. You even try to cut the tip of the thread to make it easier to thread. Without success, then use the school method. Tear out 1 sheet from the notebook. Fold it in half. Cut it into 2 parts. Cut off half of 1 sheet. Such a small sheet that unfolds is enough. Thanks to it, you will be able to thread the needle. Take the thread and unfold the sheet. Place the thread at the fold of the sheet. The thread must protrude from both sides. Take scissors and cut the sheet diagonally so that a sharp tip of the sheet is formed from the side where the thread starts. Now insert the sharp tip of the sheet into the needle hole. When the tip of the sheet passes through the hole, tear it off. In your hand, you will have the needle threaded. See how simple it is. You can do this even with a smaller needle, then only the sheet of paper needs to be more trimmed, then you will also thread the needle.